Welcome to Frankie Oki. This is my little small portion of the YouTube channel. I want to thank you for coming to check me out. There are many things you could have done with your day, but you decided to give me a couple seconds, and I appreciate that. I have a song that is at 4K, and I'd like to push that up to 10. I have a song, I have subscribers that I would like to push really hard up, and I can't do that without you. So please like, subscribe, and share. We're going to do some dramatics in the rain, so I hope you like it. I wanna go outside in the rain. It may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside in the rain. 'Cause I don't think I'm gonna cry. And I don't want you to see me cry. I wanna go outside in the rain. May sound crazy, but I wanna go outside in the rain. Once the rain starts falling on my face, you won't see me crying, not a single trace of the tears I'm crying. Because of you I'm crying. Don't want you to see me cry. Let me go, let me go, let me go. In the rain. Once the sun comes out and the rain is gone away, I know I'm gonna be better, a better day. Right now I am crying, because of you I'm crying. I don't want you to see me cry. Let me go, let me go, let me go. In the rain. It may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside in the rain. I wanna go outside in the rain. It may sound crazy, said it may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside in the rain. I wanna go outside in the rain. It may sound crazy, said it may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside. Don't want you to see me crying. No, 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 I wanna go. Darling, darling, Don't want you to see me cry. I gotta walk out that door. Can't stand it no more. Yeah, yeah. In the rain. Please like, subscribe, and share.